Hey everyone! Today I want to introduce you to your lawn's new best friend, the Honda HRX217 VKA lawn mower. Yep, you heard that right. This machine is a total garden hero. First off, it's powered by a 200cc Honda GCV200 engine, which means this baby is seriously powerful. It can easily handle even the most stubborn weeds in your yard. Plus, with a 21-inch cutting width, you can get the job done much faster. More time for you. Another awesome feature is the 7 different cutting height settings. You can adjust it from 1.25 inches to 4 inches. So whether you want your lawn to look like a golf course or a natural meadow, it's totally up to you. As for the grass bag capacity, it's a whopping 2.5 bushels. That's right. This means you won't have to keep emptying the bag while mowing, and that's just the beginning. The dual-blade micro-cut system cuts the grass super fine, allowing the bag to hold even more clippings. The Versamouse system is also amazing. With this system, you can choose between mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Its versatility really makes your job easier. It's self-propelled with variable speed control too. This means you can easily maneuver it, even on sloped areas. Plus, the durable neck-side deck is rust-free and incredibly resistant to impacts, so this machine is going to serve you well for years to come. All right, it's time to revolutionize your lawn care. With the Honda HRX217 VKA, mowing the lawn becomes a breeze. It's powerful, durable, and super easy to use. Your home's lawn has never looked this good. You're lucky to meet this fantastic machine. Now let's move on to our next product, the Greenworks 25022 Lawn Mower. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and efficient way to keep your lawn looking pristine, this one's for you. First things first, the Greenworks 25022 is powered by a 12-amp electric motor. This means you get reliable, consistent power without the hassle of gas and oil. Plus, it's much quieter, so you can mow without disturbing the neighbors. With a 20-inch cutting width, this mower is perfect for medium-sized yards. It's wide enough to get the job done quickly, but still compact enough to maneuver easily. And speaking of maneuverability, it's a push model, which gives you complete control over where you go and how fast you get there. One of the standout features of the Greenworks 25022 is its 3-in-1 capability. You can choose to bag, mulch, or use the side discharge feature. This gives you a lot of flexibility depending on your lawn care needs. Whether you want to collect clippings for compost, return nutrients to your lawn, or simply keep things tidy, this mower has you covered. It also comes with a 7-position height adjustment, ranging from 1.5 to 3.75 inches. This allows you to customize the cutting height to suit the season and the type of grass you have. Just set it to your preferred height and you're good to go. The 1.9 bushel grass bag is large enough to hold plenty of clippings, so you won't need to empty it as often. And when you do need to, it's super easy to remove and reattach. Another great feature is the steel deck. It's durable and built to last, ensuring you'll get years of use out of this mower. Plus, the foldable handles make it easy to store, even if you're short on space. So, if you're looking for a lawn mower that's eco-friendly, versatile, and easy to use, the Greenworks 25022 is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to keep their lawn looking great without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. All right, that's it for the Greenworks 25022. Now, let's move on to our next product, the EGO Power LM2102SP lawn mower. If you're looking for cordless freedom and powerful performance, this is the mower for you. The EGO Power LM2102SP is powered by a 56V lithium-ion battery, which means you can mow your lawn without the hassle of cords. Plus, the 7.5Ah battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, so you can easily tackle large areas in one go. With a 21-inch cutting width, this mower is perfect for large lawns. This wide cutting deck allows you to get the job done faster and more efficiently. The cutting height is adjustable with 6 different positions, ranging from 1.5 inches to 4 inches, allowing you to customize your lawn to your exact preference. Another fantastic feature of this mower is its self-propelled design with variable speed control. This makes it easy to maneuver on different terrains. Whether flat or sloped, you'll always have full control. And let's not forget the LED headlights. These lights allow you to mow safely even when it's dark, so your lawn can look great day or night. When it comes to build quality, the EGO Power LM2102SP doesn't disappoint. It features stainless steel blades and a durable plastic deck, ensuring long-lasting use. Plus, its foldable design makes storage a breeze, saving you space when the mower is not in use. The mower is also eco-friendly, which is a significant plus. Its quiet operation means you can mow without disturbing your neighbors. It's the perfect choice for those who want a powerful yet environmentally conscious solution. In conclusion, the EGO Power LM2102SP makes lawn mowing enjoyable with its cordless freedom, long battery life, and powerful performance. Are you ready to revolutionize your lawn care? If you're enjoying these reviews, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.